Hey traders, welcome to another video brought to you by ZeroToHeroTrader.com, giving you the tools and the confidence to take on the markets in any environment and take your trading from zero to hero. Let's get started.
Hi guys, this is Trader Sorab and today is June 25th, 2019, and this video is about my today's recap of my options and the stocks I took today. Alright, I took a bunch of them and surprisingly I have a 100% accuracy based on today's rate, based on today's trade. Majority of the time my accuracy I would say is over 80-90%. That's what makes it really good and profitable for me when I'm scalping, but it's really good to have days like today and yesterday when I had 100% accuracy. So this is one of the trade I took, was on Roku puts. I enter right here at 9:48 and for 275 5 contracts. I got out 1 minute later for 25-cent scalp, so that was a quick 125. I took a bunch of trades on SPY. So today, I don't know if you were looking at it, but today just all the indexes and everything just took a big dive. So as you can, this is a SPY itself. Just going down. It's not really much bounce over here, but you'll see I scalped it on the both sides of it. Let me see. That's a put contract. Let's see how many of the put contracts. Mostly, majority of the trades I took was in the morning, and then pretty much I went away, do the things I have to take care of in the day, and then I came back a little bit in the afternoon, did a couple of more trades. Over here, I took 20 trades, and it was going up, but I almost caught it at the top. And I had to hold it, and I was okay with holding it because I saw everything was just dumping, and which I got out right here like a little bit later. I just wanted to get it out. Obviously you can see this thing just kept on going that day, so I think before the end of the day the same option which I bought it earlier was worth $2.40. So if I would have held the whole day, I would have made crazy amount of money on that. I would have made close to 143. So I would have made on 20 contract. If my math is correct, I would have made close to. Hold on. I would have made close to $2,800 on that. So I did one, which was a delayed exit. And the rest of them were pretty good though. The rest of them were, I bought it at 74, got it right here at 6-cent scalp within like 2 minutes. The next one I got it at 84, got out at 89, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 minutes later. Then again I enter at 84, got out at the same minute for 88 cents, 4-cent scalp. And let me see what else did I scalp. I scalped some Amazon. So let me show you Amazon, was also pretty crazy though. You can see it's pretty big dive down. It was like a little small bounce here and there, and I actually scalped on the call side as well. And I don't know if those of you know Chart Slinger. He was like, what the hell I'm doing on a day like today trading on Amazon calls. But I don't know, maybe I had some skills, I got lucky. Whatever it is, I'll take it. So let me show you some of the ones I did on Amazon. So this one is from, let me go back. That one is actually from yesterday. I did it just 20 cents. I wanted to get out of it. I didn't like the action. But these are the one from today. Around, I enter at 10 o'clock, 2 contracts for $15.45, and I sold it the same minute for $50 profit on each contract. So that was a quick $100 on 1 minute. Then enter over here and this is on the call side on a day like today. And then I enter again on 14.55, and I got out at another $50 right there, about like in 3 minutes the whole trade. As you can see, everything is like going down, and you know, the script really helps a lot. And script is really good. It's gonna really help you with the momentum and everything, and also learning the basic, knowing the support and resistance, knowing a couple of how to look at the whole market all together at once and seeing what's going in the other sector that could affect this sector is another plus. And if you don't know about those things, I suggest you know, watch out for the courses that we are coming that can give you a little guide and how we look at it, and you can look and maybe learn from that. So this is one of them, and let me show you on the put side also what I traded. On the put side it was easy though, you know. If you would have held it, and I feel like stupid not holding this thing, because this would have been just like crazy. And days like today I actually feel bad, because you know what, I didn't have to really make a bunch of trades. Like over here I made like one put trade right here, 14.60. I got out the same minute for $50 profit. Rather than making small change like this, if I was like, you know, holding it throughout the day, which obviously none of us really expected to be that big of a drop, and obviously the Fed's comment and everything, you know, put the, you know, fuel to the fire. But at the end of the day, same thing. This were like $14 something. Let's see, at the height it was worth $37, so I could have made $2,100 just by holding it from that point to the highest. Heck, forget even like the highest, I could have easily made at least $1,000 if I would have held it like longer. But those are some of the time the risks that you take or the risks you don't take. But at the end of the day, I had a pretty profitable day today. I made over, I don't know, like $1,200-$1,300. I think it was like $1,400 I made. Actually, let me see. I think I traded on 2 accounts. Actually, I will open up Discord to see. Usually I post my P&L in there. So if you guys are not in our free Discord chat room, I really suggest you to join up, because we post a lot of great content and free educational stuff in there. Alright, so that was another trade, and you can see all these things are like within from like 9:35 to maybe like 10:15 when I take all these trades. What else did I traded? I think I traded $900 put as well on Amazon. Alright, I think that was all from yesterday. I was holding up, that was a swing play. I traded McDonald. McDonald was hitting all-time high. It was like super bullish. I think I traded around somewhere around here when the momentum started to die out, around like 12 o'clock. Let me see. See right here? 12 o'clock when the momentum was dying out. I bought it at 73 cents contract. I sold it, I don't know, maybe like 10-15 minutes later, because there was a liquidity problem. McDonald is not, options are not as liquid as SPY or some of the other one. So from 73 sold at 80. Obviously it went up a lot more, like dollar something, but you know, my style is be in and out. And let me show you the McDonald chart itself. See right here, you know, it's telling me like long signal, and this is where the white dot is telling to get out, and where I'm also seeing it hit the high of the day, hitting resistance, going down. So I scalped it from right here to maybe around here or something. That's when I got out. You can see, you know, we got a short signal over here, and then it really dropped. And did I trade anything else? I traded SPY calls, which was also scary because, you know, you're not seeing anything on the call side, but I was still able to get away with some profit on that. But over here for 61, it dropped, you know, because the day was like heading down, but I had a feeling that it was going to bounce back, and obviously it did. So I got at 4 cents right there. I believe I traded this as well. And around the same time, as you can see, I bought 10 at 59. It was going up, but it's getting like shaken out because of the crazy day we had. And I just sold it for 3-cent scalp. So 100% accuracy, and majority of my trades were done. I ended up, let me see how much. I think my P&L for the day is right here. So one of the account I ended up with $1,407, and the other account I ended up with $578, close to a little under $2,000. So not a bad day scalping. Take care, guys.
Hey, as always, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you really like the video and you want more, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you want, you can hit us up on Twitter at Zero to Hero Trader, or Instagram at the same. And if you're not in the Discord, go ahead and check the description for a link to that free Discord chat. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Peace.